Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to add Roblox to Geforce Experience. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your Roblox app, and from here just right click on it guys, and then go to the open file location, and then from there guys, make sure to copy the location of this file. Just Control C for the shortcut key, or you can copy it by right clicking. And then from here guys, open up your GeForce Experience. So from here guys, just select this icon over here, drivers, and then from here guys, make sure to check for updates, so you will have the latest version of GeForce. And then from here guys, just select this settings icon from here, click on it, and then from here guys, just go to the games and apps, and from here guys, just click add over here. And when you add it guys, just paste what you copied earlier. So from here, just select folder, and your Roblox will be added, guys. And from there, you will now be able to add a Roblox to GeForce Experience. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya!